Hello, here we go again. Another night in the garden. Happy juice. And creating something here, as we can see. Somewhat dangerous, I suppose. You might be able to guess what it is. We have here an old TV set as well. Oh, I think we're going to be having some fun with this here, the old flyback transformer. Yeah, leave it, Tanisha. And I'll try and create something. There it is, all connected up. There's this fucking stupid high voltage lead to the flyback transformer. Oh, there's a one up. Earth. But it appears we have a problem. As per usual, my old nemesis has come back to haunt me. Fucking switch mode power supplies. It went pop, didn't it? Where is my bloody hammer? Ah, fucking TVs, I hate them. Let's find the bloody thing. Excuse the building site. Find light switch. Oh, bloody hell, look at this insulation, shit. Where's your hammer? There's one smashy over here. That'll do. Smashy. Turn the light off. Do my bit for the environment. Fuck it. Where the hell's the other smashy? There's two of them. Better walk right past the bastard. Oh look, there it is. Smashy 2. Beer supply. Oh dear. Oh, I fucking hate TVs. Yeah. You're gonna meet up in a minute, aren't you? Yeah. This versus that. Piece of fucking shit. Just about pisses me off. Right, get out of it. Here we go, gents and ladies. I suppose I've got to say ladies because we've got one present tonight. Ladies? Lady. Well, he's a lady, really? And he can't handle his fucking drink.
I say he's more of a lady than I am.
Naughty boy's time is kind of taking a turn for the worse. You see, we've got crate of bloody bud there.
2 crates.
Another one there.
On me.
Fucking 2 cunt insiders. Shit. Fucking all this bloody. Oh my god, look at it. And that bag of beers that I showed you earlier in there. We're gonna be a bit pissed. And look, there's my street light. Gives a bit of light later so you can see me on this video this time. Look at all this fucking shit around here. It's got to get it. Look. Have it. Yeah. Where's my fucking hammer? I brought my hammer out.
Where's Smashy?
Yeah. Nah, that's little Smashy. I want proper Smashy.
Little Smashy. Where's Big Smashy?
Proper Smashy's round here waiting to stick itself through the fucking TV set. Oh. There it is. Yeah, you're gonna get it. Right, fucking happy now. There you go. Cheers, camera lady. Right, fucking happy. It's fucking doing my head in. So it's time for Smashy to come out, I think. What do I think of that? Boom! Hello again. It's me. You're a resident idiot. Oh, there's another one there. Look.
Hello.
I got a whole field full of them. Fucking right. Look at all this shit we got here to drink. Look. Num nums. Oh look, there's a Budweiser. There's a bloody cider around here somewhere. Where's it gone? The other. Where's that?
That's empty. There it is.
Where's that pissing new bottle?
There it is.
Look, I've got to finish that as well. But look at the size of that. That's ridiculous, isn't it?
No. I can do something out. Alright, make your bong out.
No, you ain't. They moaned about their lack of petrol.
Did they?
No. Here we go. She's off about bloody.
He's gonna go chuck a load of fucking petrol on it.
Shit, here we go. Not too much, Chris.
You actually chucked the petrol?
Yeah, we done it the other night.
Yeah, that's funny. But that was like fucking pissing out everywhere.
Yeah, well, I ain't fucking gonna be sat nowhere near that bastard when it goes off.
I will.
Fuck that. You like my TV earlier, wasn't it? Fucking boom, shook the floor. That did. The video here didn't pick it up, but.
Well, yeah, I won't have that, but I don't want it that short.
Hello again. I'll just say that. Look, my street light's still going. Look at that, lovely. Innit? Look at the light.
Look at that.
Oh dear, that's it. Fucking right. Yeah, I'll video that. Yeah, your local, your host is going to have a little, oh look, it's already open. Look. Mmm.
I've got the lid in my hand, you twat.
Mmm. Mmm, coconut flavour.
Right, up a bit. That's it. You're good.
Cookies and cream, actually.
Plain different. Right, I think it's time for a cigarette.
Try some of that.
I'll see you in a minute. Bye.
I'm going to try the other.